average true range, or the ATR, is a commonly used technical indicator, and it's primarily used as a measure of volatility in terms of pips or movements in price. Now, the calculation is in fact quite simple. Firstly, let's define range. Now, the range is the difference between the lowest traded price from the highest traded price in any given time period, and is measured in pips. Now, the ATR averages out these ranges over a preset number of preceding time periods. The typical setting is a 14-period lookback. Now, the ATR is displayed as a line graph, with the line oscillating up and down as the value of the ATR increases and decreases. A rising ATR means the volatility is increasing, whilst a falling ATR indicates a fall in volatility. Now, a market that's consolidating is likely to have a falling or low ATR. A market that's breaking out or in a strong momentum move will likely to have a rising ATR. Now, the average true range can also be used when deciding where to exit your trades. Typically, a trader could use a multiple of the ATR as the preferred place to exit a profitable or losing trade. So, for example, if you enter a long buy order at a price of 1.2535 and the current ATR for that particular time period was 10, then you could place your take profit target at, say, 3 times the ATR value. So that would be a 30 pip take profit target. So 1.2535 would take a profit target of 1.2565. Conversely, you may place a stop at, say, 1.5 times the ATR. So that would be a 15 pip stop loss. That would take you out at 1.2520. Now, the ATR is available for most broker platforms, so it's well worthwhile checking it out.